Well, hey family, this is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. I've been busy all day working on other projects, not jewelry, but I had an itch. I just needed to create something. And last night I started working on this necklace, and I was gonna link it, but I was like, I don't want to do a link. I want to try something different. I am gonna do more of the link necklaces like the first one that I did. But with this one, I was just kind of trying something. I said, okay, I want to do a partial link, and then I wanna bead it. So that's what I did. Just kind of mixed, different beads together, and did a quick little pair of earrings. And I like it this way, and I probably will do more like this. But I am gonna do more of the link necklaces only because I really like the way they look. They look nice and simple. They look very elegant, very unique, very different. So I am going to do more of those at some point. Not really sure when, but I am going to do more of those. So I just kind of finished this one up tonight because I started it last night. I think it came out pretty good. That big piece right there, that's a piece of beach glass. And I generally get the beach glass, a bag of it at the dollar store. Now, when I bought these pieces, they were $1 because it was the dollar store. So now they're like probably $1.25. I think everything is now, and it's nice, smooth edges, really smooth piece of glass. There's also, is it the mosaic glass? And they also have the, not at the dollar store, but the mosaic glass. The bags of that I get it at Hobby Lobby, but I did get this glass here at the dollar store, and you get a bag of it. Generally, have to walk through all the bags. A lot of it has really small pieces of glass, and occasionally I'll find bags that have pretty big pieces. And if I find more than one, I generally grab them all. So this is what I was working on just a couple minutes ago, and I'm gonna get back to working on my other projects. I like it. I think it came out pretty good. What you guys think? Let me know. If it should be linked all the way up, you like it, or do you like it this way with the beads and the link, just the bottom part linked, and then link it all the way up? And what I will do is I'll put that other video, I'll link it in the top of this video where you can just click on it and go see the video that shows the entire necklace linked. Alrighty, and happy, I think it's Saturday. Today is Saturday, right? Happy Saturday going into Sunday. And guess what, family? We'll talk.